Lenovo 100M cheaper projector with integrated stand now available globally. Lenovo Xiaoxin 100M 108OP Home Star Projection Projector for 100 ANSI Lumens 2GB RAM 32GB ROM 210 Angle Home Theater Support, Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth built-in, AI Adaptive System Smart Home Cinema Projectors. The Lenovo 100M or Lenovo Xiaoxin 100M projector can now be purchased globally through multiple third-party retailers. This is a cheaper 108OP model with an integrated stand for an adjustable projection angle. Other features include built-in speakers, an operating system based on Android 12 and a range of ports. The Lenovo 100M projector is now available globally via. This smart device was originally launched in China in December 2024. Where it is known as the Xiaoxin 100M projector. The 100M is an LCD projector with a 108OP resolution, 4K decoding and support for HDR10. This model has an integrated U-shaped stand, allowing the device to be tilted up to 210 to project images onto the wall or ceiling. It delivers a 1.1:1 throw ratio with a maximum recommended image size of 100 inches approximately 250 centimeters. The peak brightness level is said to be 400 ANSI lumens, and it has a 1000:1 contrast ratio. Plus, you can perfect the image with tools like automatic focus and automatic keystone correction. However, it is worth noting that features like intelligent obstacle avoidance and screen alignment are not included. The Lenovo projector runs on Android 12 and has two built-in 3W speakers. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi 6.0 and Bluetooth 5.0. And there are ports like HDMI, USB and a 3.5mm audio jack. The projector measures 191 by 144 by 126 mm, approximately 7.5 x 5.7 x 5.0 inches, weighs around 0.8 kilograms, approximately 1.8 pounds, and comes with a power cable and adapter for the US, the UK, or the EU. You can buy the Lenovo 100M projector via Banggood for $187.99, £147.77, €139.99. The product ships from China to the US and the UK and from the Czech Republic to other European countries. Those in Europe can also buy the device from Geek Buying, where it is slightly more expensive at €165.96. Potential customers should consider that these third-party retailers offer a limited guarantee of 1 year. Features: 1. U-shaped panoramic head. 210 tilt angle allows free adjustment for comfort and multiple viewing positions. 2. High brightness. 400 ANSI lumens provide a clear and bright projection image. 3. True 108OP resolution. Ensures high picture quality with HDR10 support and 4K decoding capabilities. 4. Smart chip. Equipped with a 4-core A55 architecture CPU and male G50 to Super GPU for superior performance. 5. Real-time picture focusing. Ensures clarity and squareness automatically, all times. 6. Advanced AI adaptive system. Utilizes ToF laser modules and AI algorithms for quick and precise autofocus and keystone correction. Package includes 1x Lenovo Xiaoxin 100M Projector 1x, Remote Control 1x, Instruction Manual 1x Power Cord.